Hi guys, Tiana here, and today I'm doing another fan mail video. Yay! And I got some new letters inside this big box. So yeah, there's some new ones, and a lot of you guys in the comments down below have been asking me why aren't I reading your letters and yeah, things like that. So I got a plan. I hope you guys are going to be okay with it. Anyway, so it is so like I'm going to open as much as I can, of course, and then the letters, I'll just show you guys the letters. I might read one or two letters on camera, but of course I read the rest off camera. So we might get a few, quite a lot. Yeah?
Well, yeah, I think that's a better idea, to be honest, because the amount of fan mail you've been getting, you can't really read them all because the video will be too long.
Yeah.
So if we show everybody the fan mail on the camera, obviously you'll be reading them yourself off camera.
Yeah.
We'll be able to get through a lot more that way, won't we?
Yeah.
So obviously we do it that way. We can open quite a few more letters and parcels or whatever.
Yeah.
I think they'll be okay with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think last time you got through about, would you say 20?
Yeah, because us two did.
Was reading as well.
Yeah.
But if we did it this way, I'm sure we could do 50. We could open 50.
Yeah.
Easy. Maybe a little bit more. So, shall we get started then?
Yeah.
Okay. You did say that there's more letters and parcels in this box from the last video.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I just go to...
And Tiana, does it like the noise of cardboard and like paper noise as it goes through her? Yeah.
Maybe you guys have things that you don't like noises.
Yeah, you don't like that, do you?
This is not working.
The scissors are in there deep. Yeah.
Gosh, it's all layered. There's like loads of layers on here.
No. Take your fingers.
I fixed the problem now. Open.
That's the problem fixed. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Tiana.
Gosh, this is...
Okay. Finally.
Okay. Pull it back.
So let's see what. Yep.
Sounds like a lot. Let me come round.
Let me get my muscles into action. You go that side. You go that side, and I'll have this side, and we'll both lift it together. Okay. There you go. There's one trapped in there still. And there's one under your chair.
So now let's get started with all these fan mail. And there's lots.
Yeah.
Of course. So I am going to start with one near the bottom.
Go for it then, Tiana. Is that what you're going to start with?
And it's just in this random bag.
Okay.
It might have been sent like that, or it might have just like accidentally. Rarity!
Wow.
I don't have that pony. I don't.
You've not. Do you know what? Yeah, I haven't seen that. So that's a new one for you.
Yes, and this one is the one that you can download the app with, and I've got the app, but I can't like take pictures of the ponies or anything. And if you look, then there's like there.
Okay.
There's that. Oh, we'll just.
I'll get that for you. You can carry that.
That looks like a furry slap bracelet.
Make yourself a better room there than you've got the table.
The Shopkins. Wait, let me just check if it is a slap bracelet first.
Yeah.
It's a slap bracelet.
So this is the pony then.
This Shopkins bag has a Shopkin in it, or maybe just a toy. I think I'll just. It's. Oh, this is like a little animal rubber. That is cute.
Is that an eraser?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at your face.
There's two ultra rare Shopkins that I don't have.
Are they ultra rare? Oh, that's very kind of that person. So
There's the letter. Who is this from? Wait. There's another one. Ah! Thank you so much. I'm so grateful.
Tiana, this is from Chloe.
Look at this
Yeah?
Then there's another rubber that's My Little Pony. And there's another shopkin that I don't have. And
Tiana, this is from Chloe, look.
thank you so
There's
much,
a picture she's on there as well.
Yeah, that's nice.
Let me show.
Thank you so much. Oh, look at this ring. That's cute. It's like rubber as well.
Wow. Why do you wear it then?
Yeah. And then that's
You know what, it feels like Orbeez. What about your slap bracelet and the things? Oh, you got that on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
I want the Shopkins. I need to have a look at these ultra rare.
Oh my gosh. Wow, wow, wow. So far that is just so good because that's just the first one. Wow.
Very kind of you, Chloe.
Yes, and the slap bracelet, or should I keep that
Yeah,
on?
you might as well, haven't you?
So fun. Let's go to open this one. Get scissors. Okay, so this looks like a little blind bag. Look. This
Well, it's a big blind bag.
Well, yeah. Yeah. So
You need an hand with that? What you got? You okay? Well, you got another one there.
blind bag. Okay. That must be.
Oh,
the
I can see
letter.
Shopkins pictures on that.
Yeah.
Am I right, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
I can see through
So you
it.
can open them blind bags.
And then there's the letter.
Okay. We'll find out who that's from.
And this is.
These are pictures what have been drawn for you to colour in.
Wow, that's nice.
So this is from Maury.
Thank you, Maureen.
Mario.
So I've not opened the blind bags yet, so I'll open those.
Okay, open them. And these are the pictures what have been drawn for Tiana to colour in. Very cute. Look, the
Yeah.
pictures what have been drawn. Look, Tiana, for you.
Oh, there's some Shopkins. Ooh. Look at this. This is cool.
Oh, is that a princess on the front?
That's Strawberry Kiss. No, that's a Shopkin. I forgot her name again.
Oh,
And
did you
then-
know it could open? Yeah, it's like a little case.
I thought
then.
it could.
Like a case, okay.
And then there's a
Cool.
loom band ring and bracelet. So the ring, and thank you again so much. Then there's like another picture inside that blind bag.
Okay,
So
super
check-
cool.
And this says random on it.
So random blind bag.
And then this one says fashion. Okay, so I might as well open it then. So there's 2 loom bands.
Okay.
Lots of people have been sending me loom band bracelets and loads. Okay, so I got a card.
Star Wars.
Star Wars. Can you show
Okay.
it? Right? And then, I'm not sure what they are, but there's a Christmas tree rubber anyway. And then,
Butterfly, I can see there.
yeah. Should I show it? I'm not sure what these like little peg bits are. You might be able to find that out.
Okay.
Then I'm wondering what's inside the smaller blind bag. So I'll open that as well.
Oh, the chains.
Wait, is that tangled? I think that's tangled, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
So I'm going to open this letter up.
And I'm going to give you a hand with this parcel.
Oh, that looks like it's
With
got
some
quite...
colourful stickers on.
Yes, that looks like it's got all sorts of toys in there.
Well, in this one, Tiana, so far, we've got some candy. There you go, look.
Candy.
Yeah, so that's that. Okay.
Squashy.
Okay.
Yeah. So thank you.
And I found out who this is from. More blind bags.
Oh, it looks like. Look.
Oh.
Oh. I didn't see that coming. But what I mean is, I think.
Ugly's Pet Shop.
Ooh.
I'll let you open that one, and I'll find out who it's from.
And then.
Okay, this is from.
The letters are ripped.
This is from Belle, who
Thank
sent you
you,
these goodies.
Belle.
So open up the little list. Is it uglies? Did I say uglies?
Oh, they're not uglies, but anyway.
Yeah, some goodies.
Yeah. Oh, there is an ugly though.
Yeah.
But, wait, are they Orbeez?
So this is the one what you said was damaged.
Oh no, they look like. They look a bit like Orbeez, but they're sweets, a bit candies.
So what you've got there is this is from this letter, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, the one what you said was ripped. Well, there's a Shopkin in there.
Is that?
Yeah.
Oh, corny cover thing that one was. Well, is. And then
This person has sent you a cool picture.
Oh yeah. It's like a glittery pen. I think that's of me as well.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Look at this loom band. It's like the Queen. It looks a little bit like the Queen.
Super cool. Right, I'll find out who sent you those then. Okay.
Yes.
So this letter got a bit damaged.
And then there's some more goodies. Should I wait for you to read?
Yeah.
Find out who that's from.
Yeah, because I'm trying to figure it out because the letter's been ripped. I think the name's Hayley, but there's the letter anyway.
Hayley.
I'm sure it is, yeah.
So thank you, Hayley.
Cool. All right, moving on then.
Oh, this one then? It's quite
Yeah, why
tall.
not? Quite tall, I like that.
Like a bit like Jordan. 'Cause
Yeah.
I used to, but not as tall as him at all. Oh,
Ooh.
oh.
This is a nice drawing.
This is for Isla.
Oh, okay, so let me put that aside then.
Then this is for Summer.
Okay, let me
I
put it.
think Summer and Isla got some toys.
Okay.
And I think mine's a picture.
Right, you're going to open yours then? And put these,
Oh, and then, oh,
put those to the
I
side.
got another one.
And the picture?
Oh, that's nice.
Rainbow?
Then let me make
Any, does it say who it's from? No letters.
I don't think there's a letter.
Well, where's the envelope for that?
Envelope.
Okay, there might be a letter in there too.
Oh, it's on to the other side. There's the envelope.
Okay.
I'll just open the blind bag.
No, you're right. No letter there. Don't forget we've got these 3 blind bags as well. Shall I open them for you from that last letter?
Yep.
From Hayley, I think that was from.
Ooh, this is a bouncy ball. Bouncy ball.
You've got a Palace Pet.
Oh, yay! Look at this ball. It's like a...
Bouncy ball.
Whoa! Whoa! That is bouncy! Now where is it? Oh! Look! Daddy, look! Whoa! Oh, that is
And
cool.
you've got... Oh, I've seen this Shopkin just not long ago.
Oh, crispy lettuce!
Crispy lettuce.
I'm opening that other blind bag.
And another little minifigure. Do you know what that one is?
No, I don't know what that is.
Is it a squirrel?
Tiny. I don't think so. Now, I do not know how to do this, but I'm not going to cut it for in case I cut the picture or something.
And you've got a little doggy and a rabbit here.
Ah, that's nice. Thank you.
That's from Hayley. Right, so you're okay there?
I think you might have to do this because I think I might...
You don't want to damage the... Yeah.
Yeah.
You got anything else that you can open?
No, apart from all the more fan mail.
No, oh, why not?
Ooh.
Is it just one of these blind bags I've got to open for you?
Yeah.
Right, well you've got a star inside here and it's
Star.
I love toys and me.
Thank you.
There you go.
Oh, wow.
What's up in there?
So it looks like this
Oh!
a Barbie, then her head squishy. So there's a Barbie that I can style her
No
hair.
letter? Ah, there you go.
There you go.
Right, so...
Oh look! Melody pots.
This is from Beth, age 7.
Thank you, Beth. And then there's some Chupa Chups melody pots.
Oh, you love those, don't you?
Yes. And then...
I'll open one of those for you.
There's some Kinder toys.
Oh, yeah.
Kinder toys. Whoa. That was one of these then. So
Chupa
thank
Chups.
you, Beth.
You remember how to play those? Of course. I've got to have a go.
Thank you.
Remember when I did it last time, my whistle was loud.
Yeah. Wow!
I'm just the best at blowing these.
And
they're yummy as well. So yeah, thank you, Beth.
Yes, thank you so much. Let me just make sure there's nothing else.
Yeah. I'm going to open this one for you, Tiana, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Can
you manage that? It'll take you a while to cut through that. We'll swap.
Yeah.
Okay. So you got your scissors, I'll try this one.
Keeping the melody pop on my side for
Okay.
whenever I want to taste it. I'm going to carefully cut this just...
Yeah, don't want to damage the letters. Do you know what? That was pretty easy to go through. I just popped it. And...
Oh, I just missed some letters. Ooh, close one. So is that some Haribos there? Yes, some Haribos. I love those. They're so yummy. And then let's see this.
Well, this is definitely a goodie box.
Wow, this is a big picture.
Tiana, you can peekaboo. Oh, that is cool. And get closer.
There's another one.
You got a letter?
I think this is the actual letter.
So what other items come with that?
There's a Haribo.
Haribos, yeah. So
Oh.
that's a cool drawing.
Ooh, Shopkins keyring. I might put that on my bag.
Your backpack,
I think
yeah?
I will.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
So is this
If my
come
mum
from
can
with
get
the
it.
Haribos?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we'll find out who it's from
So
for
open
this.
the Haribos as well. I think I'm
you
going
want
to
to
taste
taste?
some Haribos. So I love Haribos. Then you can try one if you want as well, Dad.
This is from Lola.
Thank you,
She's
Lola.
6. She's done some cool drawings as well.
She's quite young, actually.
Yeah, she's a good drawer, look.
Yeah.
Is that Isla, Summer and you? Yeah?
And would you like to try a Haribo?
Why not? So yeah, super cool there.
Haribos are really chewy.
Right, Tiana, so you might as well go through that parcel, and if there's any letters there, you can show me.
So there's some like furry things. And then...
Lego, yeah?
Yeah, Legos.
And the candy galore, look.
Ooh. Ooh, balloons.
What's that? Chupa Chups? What is that? Not seen those before. That's Chupa Chups bubblegum.
Cotton candy and bubblegum.
Okay, that's super cool, that.
Oh,
And the figure?
Me and Georgia could use that for like the cotton candy machine.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And then there's some zombie stickers. Look at that.
I think this is from, is it Sarah there? Age 8? We sent you that Chupa Chups and candy and things.
Yeah, I think
So?
so.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
There you
Then
go.
it's like a, oh, this is like a marker pen.
Alright.
And then we've got his legs.
Sweeties.
Oh, this is that's a dog.
Oh yeah, he's got bananas on his head. Is that bananas?
Fruits.
Well, is that a fruit bowl on this dog's head?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah, yes it is.
So I don't know if it came like this or if she like made it like. Oh, this is a bubble that she used.
Yeah.
Seen it in the shops.
Right, I'm gonna go for this one.
Yep. That is fine.
Oh, Tiana, straight away. There you go. Oh, it's so good.
Oh, it's so good. Oh.
And a plush toy. That's cute.
I think, is that...
We'll find out who it's from.
Secret Life of Pets?
It is, isn't it? Yeah.
Sure it is. Yeah. I'm loving this Chubby Shots and Melody Pop.
And that, was it Secret Life of Pets, you just say?
Yep.
Come from Cody.
And this is from McDonald's. And thank you so much, Cody!
Yay. Right.
Wow, that's quite loud. I'm going to do...
Moving on to this one.
Okay, and I'm going to move on to this one. Oh, this is for me.
Oh, Vimto. Oh, is it? Vimto.
Yeah.
Candy. Yum, yum.
Me, Summer and Isla. Woo.
I've got another plush toy as well on the letter here. That's cute.
Wow,
You got
this
Minions?
is definitely... Oh, right.
Minions.
Minions. And then, what's this?
And a nice ring. Is that Mr. Is that, yeah, Mr. Funny, look. And Tiana, look what she's, whoa, look what she or he's done. Got a plush on the letter.
That is cute.
Right, well that's from,
And then...
this is from Sadie Parker, age 8.5.
Ah, you're almost like me. And thank you so much. The ring, I don't think it'll fit me, but it might fit me.
And a cool drawing as well.
The ring will fit my pinky, but it can't fit this pinky.
Okay.
And this is like a little tiny rubber.
Sadie's done a drawing of a, is that a shop kid?
Yeah, Spinderella. That's a limited edition for season 5.
Wow.
Oh, I got the letter for mine.
Oh, you got a photo, is that a photo there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see who that's from.
And then there's another one. Where is this? Oh, and then there's another photo that's bigger.
Oh, cute. Is there a name there above that photo?
Read it. I'm
Okay.
not sure if there's a name.
Oh, Christmas time. So yeah, so thank you.
Thank you so much.
We're getting through quite a few now, do you think? Is it better than the last one? The last fan mail video? Think we're doing a lot more?
Yeah.
The pile seems to be moving down here on this side a bit. So that's good.
I'm
Alright.
opening this one.
Alright.
So this is... This letter or is this a picture? I think this is a picture. Oh, look at this!
So look. Another cool drawing.
Also, there's cookie and milk buds on there. So that's nice.
Oh, this is a cute one. From Ashley.
Was that just a letter? Or did
Yeah,
it like
just a
any
letter.
voice?
Look.
Oh, that is nice. Then look at this pretty necklace.
That's cool.
And then,
So yeah, that's a cool drawing, Ashley.
yeah.
Very nice.
Thank you, Ashley. Oh, this one says you're the best YouTuber.
Oh, that's very kind.
Yeah. And then it's from Mia, I think that says.
Have a look.
That's a Mia?
I think that might be Kaya. Kaya?
Or Mia, I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
okay, one of the two. Well, there you go. Thanks very much.
Thank you so much.
You've got a Shopkins basket here.
No, nobody's ever sent me in a basket packaging. Now I'm opening this.
Straight away. And some chocolate buttons.
Yummy, I love chocolate buttons.
And now we'll find out who sent you that.
Chocolate.
Keep you look with Shopkins. Tiana's just crazy for Shopkins, so you guys must know that already. Oh, look at the cool drawing she sent you as well. The one who sent you the Shopkins.
That is a nice one, isn't it?
It's from Georgia.
Georgia.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Really good.
One I don't have already.
Is that a new one? You always get lucky new ones when you get your fan mail.
Yeah.
They must be following your collection so they know that which one you've got.
Yeah, but this one was in
That's just so cool.
This one's in the wrapper though. So.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, but the other ones wasn't, was there? And you needed them. Them ultra rares. Come on.
Season 2 and I think some of season 1.
Yeah, so you can really.
Chair is a double, but at least I got a new one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right. Okay.
And of course, Petkins backpack.
I'm going to open this parcel. Okay.
That's quite big actually.
Right. Let's see what we've got.
I'm going to open this parcel.
Oh, we've got Hello Kitty.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now this is soft. Oh. So I'm going to open this up, try not to put any letters again. Putting them right at the top, even though.
So this is who sent it, but I can't really read the name there.
Oh, I just missed the letter again.
Thank you very much.
Look at the picture.
That's who sent. Oh, he's got a nice picture. That's who sent you the Hello Kitty.
Thank you. Look, I just missed the letter again.
You close Tiana to ripping these letters.
Gosh.
Wow, she's got your Hello Kitty.
So here is the letter. I think there's the number.
And a mirror she sent as well. Hello Kitty fan, she is, isn't she? Hey,
Yeah.
that's Hello Kitty.
What's that container there?
That's like a tin. You can put some of the toys inside there.
So empty.
And we've got a Shopkin. Yeah.
Ooh, Shopkin. Thank you.
And you've got a Shopkin's card, is it? And a really nice bangle.
That's super nice.
And guess what? Loom bands.
Right, the letter just flew off the table right here.
So is that letter come with?
Come with the
Well, you're not sure now. Well, it's from.
You didn't see this, did you?
Yeah, I'll just pass you that.
Oh, right.
Well, this is from Brian.
Thank you, Brian.
So what come with the Brian? Because that came with. I'm not quite sure now. Okay.
I think this is a rare Shopkins card. I think it's rare, but.
Because you opened this, obviously, because I didn't.
Yes, I opened that.
But you remember what came with this letter? No, because it's got confusing, hasn't it?
Yeah, because
okay.
the toys are just piling. But anyway, thank you.
Brian, that was.
And then, yeah, thank you, Brian. And I'm going to open this one.
Right.
Oh yeah, I started that one. Oh, this is what Brian got. I did.
Oh, right, so that's what Brian sent you?
Yeah.
Okay, we've got there in the end.
So I got the plushie here. Plushie, thank you. This looks cool.
Wow. Oh,
Wow.
do you know what we could use that for?
What?
We've got that challenge coming up. Chrono Bomb.
Oh,
that would
would be the perfect gem.
Yeah, so that was really cool, Brian.
This.
Yes, so
Thank you.
that's really good of him, wasn't it? That's
it's
good.
like he knew.
Yeah, well done.
Oh, he actually might have knew because we said the.
You mentioned it in the one of your last videos.
But he might have sent the letter before the video.
Okay. Yeah, well that is true.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Brian, for that. Anyway.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Take good care of that. And
Yep.
then
The
that
jam
is just so pretty. And then there's like these are from Kinder Eggs as well. I've not seen
is
this
that a
another
plush?
Ooh, wow, I've not even seen
Let's see
that
that.
before. It's colourful.
And we've got a bouncy ball.
Wait. Oh, that looks like a rubber. Let me just test it first. I'll just test it and I'll tell you.
You love testing these bouncy balls.
It's not as bouncy as that other one, but it's still quite bouncy.
That's from. They are from Amira. There you go.
Thank you so much. And then we also got two Kinder Egg toys.
All right. So is that?
Let me just check.
I'm gonna go for this one then.
And I'm gonna go for this one. Oh, this one's kind of heavy.
Go for it.
Yeah, I will.
Right.
Oh, this one was actually quite big, but it was like folded.
We've got some jewellery in this one, Tiana, just there.
Ooh.
And is it one of them maze games?
Maze game.
Is it like a maze game?
Oh, yeah, these are cool. These are really cool.
Is this person an Arsenal fan? Oh. Okay.
Wow, them balls are tiny that are in there.
Let me find out who sent you those. Oh, look at this drawing. They've even got Ramai on this drawing.
Oh yeah.
Look at that,
Yeah,
guys.
that is good.
That's super cool.
Yes.
And let me have a look at this.
Once again, try not to cut the letter.
Who's that from then? Let me have a look. Oh, that's from Hannah, Tiana, who just sent you the drawing. Yeah?
Thank you, Hannah.
Really good.
That drawing is amazing though.
Yeah.
So good. And Ramai's not been in my video.
For a long time. Yeah.
Since
Okay.
we first
Moving
started.
on. How are you getting on with that one? Careful with the letter.
Yeah. I'm not sure if I'm going to make it. Oh, I think I will.
Right, I'm just going to pour
Oh yeah, that's fine.
these goodies there.
Ooh,
You got a lot of pens.
Look at this beautiful
And some
bracelet.
That is really nice.
Put that on.
And that's from Sky.
Sky.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sky. And then I could have just cut like, look, I was nowhere near close.
Well done. Okay, so you got there without damaging the letter.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's colourful.
Oh, line bag. Oh, and the pen.
Oh,
That was that Hello Kitty tin.
careful.
Whew, at least there's nothing in there. So, anything else in here?
Well, I've just opened this colourful envelope, and I've got another one inside. And it's got a picture of you on it, which is wicked. Look, right on the bottom. All right, then let's open that.
Look at the letters. Like in a proper envelope.
Maze game. Is it Minnie Mouse? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. And Shopkins, I think, are in here, Tiana. Is that a Shopkin?
Yeah.
Do you know the name of it? Mini Mushroom.
So the letter is right here.
Okay, hold that up. I can see from here. Is that from Darcy? Yeah? Yeah, I think that's from Darcy. It's got a picture on the back, toys with me as well. Really cute. So yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
And we've got another slap bracelet over here. I'm just thinking that the letter.
Wow. I'm getting so many cool slap bracelets today because this one's like
Ooh, some jewellery.
ooh, yeah.
Tiana loves her jewellery.
This is a hair bubble.
Is it?
Yeah.
I call that jewellery, didn't I?
Yeah. It kind of
But
looks
you
like
tell I'm not a girl. Right, okay.
Put the slap
This
bracelet
is
over.
a big picture.
Big picture.
Oh, that mermaid is
Amazing.
super cool.
Oh.
Look
And there's even
at that drawing.
so,
Really good.
wow,
Right, let's find out who that's from.
amazing.
That is
I'm
from...
just opening this blind bag I got.
Is it Mika? Mia? Miak? Yeah, Miak. I'll say, yeah, Miak.
Ooh,
So yeah, that's really
pen.
cool. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, like you said.
Yeah.
Look at this pen.
That is called a fountain pen. Sure it is.
I think I'm going to test it on a
Because
little
they
bit.
put ink cartridges inside, yeah? Right.
Oh, look, Minecraft.
Is that what it is? Okay.
I think that's in like the
I'll do this
mystery
one.
box. Then there's another bracelet. Then some bubbles. Yeah, bubbles there. Hair clip. Oh look, a different person sent me another miniature rubber. Chupa chups!
More
Chupa
Chupa
chups!
Chups.
Chup chup.
Well, just when you've said Chupa Chups, this is what I've just found in this letter. The lollipop. Okay, and some cool bead things.
Oh,
Right.
you like
Sequences, yeah? Sort of thing.
Right, I'm
And a
gonna go
really cool
for-
letter.
Oh, how did that get on my finger?
So thank you very much.
Seriously, look. How did that
There you
get
go, it's a fountain pen. Be careful with it, yeah? Because that's what happens. Ink cartridges go inside. So just keep the lid on.
Yeah.
Okay? Right.
So I'm opening this blue.
Now I'm going to open this one.
Okay.
Let's go. Ooh, I've just caught the
Ooh.
letter. I've just done what you've done. Look. Silly daddy. Right, okay.
Now what? Oh, yep. Still more. Still more. Still more. Come on.
We've got Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
And I've got the letter.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Careful.
So is it letter? Then this one's like attached. There we go.
And that's from that Hello Kitty, like a little pendant things from Isabella. So thank you, Isabella.
Yes. Now I'm wondering wondering, what is this?
I'm not sure,
What
Tiana.
exactly is this? Can you have a look at this? I don't know what it is. And then this
I'm
says
not sure.
me.
You got that? Is that who sent it you? Yeah. And is it from? I can see the name on the back there. Is it Homara? Homara?
So you can read that bit. Read that small little bit. You can read that bit.
Okay. And then that's who sent it. So thank you very much.
Yeah. And that came with another one. So you're gonna read.
Well, which one?
It says she doesn't watch my videos, but she's just sending something.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can have a little.
Is that, well, that comes from the same person, but you've got there. Okay. Wow. 2 toys and me.
Toys and me. Wow. So she didn't watch my videos, but she sent me something anyway.
It's very kind of her. Yeah.
And this says who it's from.
All right.
Look at that picture. That isn't a really nice picture. Then I think she sent me this Frozen card as well. And then, yeah.
All right. I'm gonna open this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. Look, it's just piling down.
Yeah, we're doing well. We're doing well. That's good.
Try this one.
What have you got?
Look at this. Tiana, she made one of these, but it wasn't Shopkins, and she put it on my nana's fridge. Look, they're like stickers and you put them on the walls. They're really nice. I'm going to keep it on.
So that's who that letter's from. That's a nice little
place to put it
letter, and that was from, I think, Sky.
Sky?
No, the Sky, yeah.
Might be the same one or a different one.
Different one that time, I think.
Shopkin in here as well. Shopkin shoe.
And I'm going to open this one.
But it's not called shoe. And then there's like 2 little parts with little messages, and then
Right, you got some.
at the back.
Oh, did you see who he's from there? Can you see any names?
I can see names.
Let's have a look then.
Quite, no.
Well, while you're looking, I'll check that. You can have a look at these Shopkins and bits and pieces. Oh, that's from Daniela. So thank you very much.
So there's a Shopkin, silly bun, or something like that.
And the person who sent you
Prickles.
that is from Layla.
Layla, that's a nice name.
Yeah.
Thank you, Layla.
Yeah. And I think you've got something else from Layla here as well. Oh, you've got a little picture from Layla. Shopkin's picture.
Oh yeah, there's. I can see popcorn there, and custard cap, and then wild carrot and delicious donut.
Yeah, really good. Okay.
So good, this chocolate.
So we'll do probably about another 5 more, Tiana, I'd say.
Bantable.
Okay?
Okay.
Let's go then. 5 more. Ooh.
I'm doing this smaller one.
We're going to do this one.
Wait, shake that, shake it.
Shake.
Because when you just click
I know, I heard
it
some
sounded
jingling.
like money.
Got cool stickers on the back.
But it don't have to be money though anyway.
Oh, you've got a book.
A book?
Yeah. There you go. There's a book there.
I
Marley
thought I cut
Towers.
this for a second then, but I didn't. Look.
Oh.
I thought I cut it. Well, I might have.
Tiana, you've got a shell. And guess what was in the shell? Some coins.
How did that stay in there?
No, I'll just put it in there. And we've got 2 photos.
Nice.
And oh, guess what she's playing on? One of your favourite things, the bouncy.
Oh, that is really hard.
Tiana loves playing on those. So that's super cool. And this
Oh, I've
photo.
got another Shopkins card.
And this is the girl.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I'll find out her name.
More Shopkin cards.
Her name is Leah, Tiana.
Thank you, Leah. Look at this funny Minions rubber. And then this
Right.
Legos.
2 toys and me. I've got a pinky.
Oh, wait for this.
Well then.
Wait for it.
Yeah, I'm waiting. What was that sequences? Glitter stars.
More. Wow, there's loads. Wow. There's loads. But
You just decorated the table with that then.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna do this one now.
Oh, I've got some more cute photos. Oh, this is I like this. This is really cute. Wait till you see this. Right, okay. Oh yeah, I know.
This picture of me and Bubba.
So we've got you on the TV and the photo of you there.
Like you can sometimes watch YouTube on TV.
Yeah, that is really good. I like that. And you've got another one. She's pointing to you on the TV.
That's that spider video, isn't it?
Yeah, the spooky one. You're gonna do part 3 to that soon.
Yeah, we are.
And let me see who that is then.
Now, the scissors.
Oh, Tiana, that's from Esme. You just sent a message to her on Instagram, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, because she said she was on that Instagram video. She was looking for you, and you sent a message earlier on today saying I'm here on Instagram.
Yeah.
So that is from Esme. Oh, that's so nice.
But it might be a different one. But
No, I'm looking at the photo now, and I can just remember that's her.
Let me.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is her.
Yeah.
It is.
So cute.
Yeah.
Esme.
Hello.
Yeah.
And then this one's really sticky.
Sticky, sticky, sticky.
Hey, sticky, sticky, sticky. Sticky, sticky. Scissors are here. That just won't.
Right.
That just won't come off my finger.
Right, I think this will be my last one then, yeah? This one here, and that could be your last one. Right? Is that fair?
Okay.
Okay. Right.
Get some cool
Let's see what
goodies
we've
in
got.
here. Gosh, today I think we've done it. I think we've got
Tiana.
through most of them.
Oh! Barbie, is that, yeah, Barbie windblower. Fan.
Yeah.
It's cute, it's very cute.
Oh, they look like a pen as well.
Oh, Tiana, you've got to put these glasses on with the fan. We've got a cute photo. Yeah.
Yeah, that's cute.
I'll show you a bit.
This is just cardboard. It's blurry.
Let's have a look at them glasses on you. I didn't get to see. Is that like 3D?
No.
And they've sent you some cute bits here. Toys and the what? And blind bag.
Blind bag.
So I'll open that, we'll probably find out the names.
Of course, loom band.
Yep.
Loom band, loom band, loom band. Wow, a big loom band.
You've got some Frozen toys. Is that Dory?
What was that?
Smiley face badge, bangle. And I'll see who it's from. Right.
This is a zip.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you undo it like that, and then that's cool. Look,
I can't see the names on there, on the letter.
Wow, that's just.
So, okay.
It's like a spare
Oh, right.
zip. So thank you for that.
I think
Oh,
that's...
look at this magnet. This is a magnet.
Is it?
Put that on our fridge.
I'm sure that's Nadia.
Nadia.
Yeah, who's just sent you the Frozen bits, so thank you.
Thank you. Thank
And the
you.
photos. Right, so this is your last one then, yeah? Have you done?
Done my last one.
Okay!
That was an awesome thumbnail opening. I think that will be the best.
Yeah, I really
thumbnail.
enjoyed that one. We got through quite a lot of letters, didn't we,
Yeah,
Tiana, there?
and I love that gem.
Oh, and yeah, the gem, and obviously, yeah, everything's been great.
Everything.
Yeah. Yeah, oh, yeah.
2 on each wrist. And if anybody else wants to send me some fan mail, my fan mail address is right here, the PO box. So, I think we've got through most of them.
Yeah, I'm very grateful.
So grateful for everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you to everybody. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I love you guys. See you soon.